very much brighter and better day at the Dehiwala beach in Sri Lanka. Yesterday was very bad. Heavy rain for morning. I came for a while, but due to the bad weather, I have to go back. Ladies and gentlemen, we see so many challenges that are taking place in the world all the time. Recently, I was watching a wonderful documentary which was showcased in NHK, Japanese television network. The disaster at the Hiroshima. 2 years ago, I again visited Hiroshima on a speaking assignment to Japan, and I went to the museum of Hiroshima and the remains. Unbelievable destruction that has created. I also had the opportunity 2 times, one in Washington, other one in Jerusalem, visiting the Holocaust museums 2 times. One what was in Jerusalem is bigger, and also in Washington there is one. Both I visited. Ladies and gentlemen, the atom bomb was created by man. Atom bomb was dropped by man. And planning for the dropping done by man. So was the Holocaust for 6 million Jews. The 90% of the disasters the human beings are experiencing in the world are man-made, created by man. And 10% nature, but that also man's exploitation of the nature result in disasters. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't change the world, but there are certain things that you and I can change. Because obviously our great-great-grandfathers have made mistakes, and it has passed down to our grandfather, from grandfather to our father, and then to us. There's an opportunity for you and me to create space for a miracle, to change. Because if you can understand the mistakes made by your fathers and grandfathers and take a moment, take a space not to repeat that, and in fact the opportunity to correct the mistakes of your father, of your grandfather, of your ancestors, if they have made some mistakes. The opportunity is there and the space is there for you and me now. If you don't do it, you are passing that heritage to your next generation, your children, your children's children, and they would reap the challenges of those mistakes like we are making. The mistakes my father made, mistakes my grandfather made, mistake my great-grandfather made, and I realized and I fathomed it. And I want to correct during the space that is given to me and change it and correct it. And I don't want to pass it to my son and son's son, children's children. Ladies and gentlemen, you and I can become a miracle worker and change the opportunity for the next generation. But that change has to take from your heart and my mind and your mind. And there is a space and opportunity now to correct the mistakes of our fathers, grandfathers, ancestors, and our own mistakes, so that it will not pass to the next generation, your children and children's children.